What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear inside door handle on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a trim tool and I want to get underneath this bezel right here. Slide this up, slide this out of the way. You can disconnect the connector right here, just push down. Disconnect the connector. Now you don't necessarily have to take this off to take the door panel off. It just makes it a lot easier to disconnect the connector like this rather than while you're fighting and fumbling with the door panel. Now we want to take this cover out. Just take a trim tool, get underneath here, and there's some clips that hold that on. Take this cover off right here. Sometimes you can just grab it with your fingers, or you can get the trim tool underneath there. Try to rotate it off. There's clips on there, the bottom, in the middle, and on the top. Now there's 3 screws. There's one right here and 2 right there. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take these screws out. Just grab it, and then these 2. And this last one. Take a magnet to get the bottom one out. And remember, these 2 are different than that other one. Now you can use some trim tools, and I always like to start from the front of the door panel, closest to the car, in case you scratch anything. And just go all around. There's just some push pins that hold the door panel on. That. Slide up the door panel. This handle should slide off here. Should just be clipped in. There we go. Just slides down. We're gonna take this inside door handle off. We want to take the cables off the handle. So disconnect this cable right here. The bottom one happens to be the green one, which is the lever side, and the white one is the lock side. So slide it up, and then slide the retaining ball out. And same with the white one. Slide it up, twist it, and slide out the ball. We want to reattach this to the cables. Slide the green cable into the bottom. That's the one with the handle. Just like that. And then through there. And the white one goes on top. Just like that. Now take the door panel. We'll slide the handle right through here. And there's 2 tabs right there on the top and the bottom. It's just gonna slide into place right there. If you check it from the outside, just make sure it looks good. That's right. And then slide the top part of the panel in first. Pull the wiring harness through here so you can connect the switch after. And then once the panel's lined up, you can just push it on. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, and these 2 longer screws are going to go for the handle part. Get those started first. Snug those up, and then this smaller screw is going to go right here through the handle. And snug it up, not too tight. This cover is going to go over the handle. Lock that in place. And this cover is going to go right behind the handle. Pull out the handle. Line it up. Lock it in place. Reconnect the window switch to the connector. Line it up. Lock it in place. Then there's a slide right here that slides in the back. That That slides like that, and then push down on the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.